This machine will be a game changer in modern agriculture. My father has been a farmer for his entire life. When the problems started to get huge related to weeds for him in the 1990s, he and two other farmers with different crops and different problems started to make new steam technology in order to help their crop. Our technology brings the steam 25 centimeters deep in the soil. When you heat up the soil with the steam to 75 degrees like we do, the weed and seeds gets down to only like 0 to 5%, so almost taken away. And the same thing is with the fungi. If you grow carrots, the fungi start to attack the carrot right away when the carrots start to grow. There are no fungi, there are only 5% left of the fungi in the soil when we have been steaming. So the carrot is left alone with no enemies. So they can stay in the warehouse or the packeries for many months more. And no rotting process, no waste of carrot, and you can eat all of them. Professor Stephen Fenimore, which contacted me from the US, is a specialist that has been investigating steam within agriculture for 15 years.
The technique works. It's more than hot enough to kill the pathogens because they're more susceptible. And it's hot enough to kill a lot of weed seeds, most weed seeds. The nitrifiers recover.
During the tests we have done with our technology, we have given farmers up to 75% larger harvest without using any chemicals. 2021, we will have 18 machines. If we are going to treat all soil related to like vegetable, berries and fruit in only Europe and United States, and we do it every 5th year because the process is so effective, we need like 15,000, 20,000 machines. It's a huge work in front of us.